Good morning, madlang people. Welcome to the new video. Ayan, pupunta na naman kami ngayon sa Heling Island.
Let's go!
Ayan.
I guess the fishing rod's in the back.
Can you
Oh.
check? Check first. Ayan, check niya muna baka hindi niya nadala yung fishing gear niya. Ayan.
Oh, there's a lot of those small berries just here, but
Yeah. So, did you have the fishing rod?
yeah.
So,
Let's go to Hailing Island, tropical paradise. I think for an hour we can do.
license to buy that.
Crossbow. Catch rabbits.
Okay, clear here. Ayan, high tide. Mayroon kami dito sa sa bridge. So ayan guys, andito na kami. Marami na namang tao.
Let's go the other way for some reason.
Yeah, so many people. We go this way and then if it's not, we go that way. Ayan. Punuan. Punuan
Yeah.
is the key.
I know, there's loads of space there. Inside.
Daming upper band din. Yeah, there's one up there.
Yellow grass.
Yeah.
Somewhere I can put my solar panels facing the
Can
side.
you go that one then? Here.
What about there?
No. Go. Oh, there's a lot of
Back
cars.
to the bin? Where's the bin?
It's up to you.
I guess Jasper's there.
Here.
Well, there. Where the stove.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, there's a lady.
That's okay.
Which
Maybe.
one you want? Here?
No, I'll go facing that way and then I can put the solar panel.
Why can you not go that way? Parallel? Yeah. So we go. Yeah, it's same thing, it won't move.
This way then.
Yeah.
Yeah, this way will do.
Can you go like this so that I can see the thing in there? Please. Ayan. So ayan guys, dito na naman kami uli at si Joe ay set up ng kanyang EcoFlow. So Hal, what you doing on your EcoFlow? You doing 2 solar panel, do you?
Yeah, 2 solar panels.
Okay, I'll go around. So ayan guys, dalawang solar panel niya. Ayan. Isa, dalawa. Connected sila papunta doon sa loob yung EcoFlow. Ayan. So you're connecting 2 solar panel to get the energy in one battery, yeah?
Yeah.
Is that what happening now?
Yeah. To keep the battery top.
Okay. So ayan guys, yung dalawang solar panel niya. At dito sa ano namin sa parking makikita mo yung beach. Tapos wala masyadong tao. You okay there?
Yeah.
Yes, ayan. Maganda yung pwesto namin. So, I'm going to cook burger ni Joe. Lunch namin, 5 o'clock. Hindi pa ako naglinis dito, guys. So, magluluto ako ng lunch kasi mag-alas 5 na. What's the time, Nahal? I think
No, it's
3. 3.
3:44.
No, it's 3 o'clock lang pala. Ay, 3:44, mag-alas 4. Katulad nung kahapon, ganon din. Alas 4 na rin kami kumain. Ayan, so magluluto muna ako, guys. So, ayan. Is it charging?
No, not yet.
What's happening then? So, ayan, mayroon akong, ito yung binili namin, guys. Burger. Ito yung kahapon na coleslaw. Meron ako dyan, yung roast. Yeah. So, dito, i-on ko muna yan, oh. Yung ano dyan. Yung gas. Meron kasing ano yan, gas. Yan, naka-on na. So, ayan, lagyan ko lang ng olive oil. Konti lang. Para hindi lang siya masunog. So, tingnan natin kung nag-charge. Ayan, charging na siya. 98% kasi we charge this one at home, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, how much power it goes in?
Now 124 watts because it's cloudy and it's not directed at the sun.
Oh, okay.
But it should go up when the clouds go.
You won't see properly.
129 going in and 204 going out. So the fridge and everything lasts for 8 hours.
Hang on, this way, because you want. Yeah, this one. How much?
So it's
coming?
going up 140 now.
140 coming in and 204 coming out. Can do.
Yeah.
What?
If it's sunny, it should go up to over 200.
Oh, okay.
I was going up 145.
So are you? Is this one charging na? Switch on
Yeah.
the fridge.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, ayan guys, powered na yung fridge namin dyan. Ayan. Naka-on na siya. Ayan.
We're going to get the ticket done.
Yes. So, you're going to get a ticket. Ayan. So, magluluto muna ako, guys. Ayan, guys. Burger is ready to... I move the pan because it's too windy. Ayan.
Yeah, nearly 200.
Okay. So... So we have 4 burgers. Quarter pound. Ayan. So ayan guys. Buhay camping. Magluto muna kasi gutom na si Joe. Ayan. Natin yung mga kahapon bumili ako ng ito guys, oh. Wala, konti na lang ang natira. Kagabi, inano ko na kasi super sarap siya. Ayan. Sabaw namin. Makanskan siya. Na crisp. Ayan. Extremely cheesy. Sarap. So, ito mo na dyan. Nanonood ako kanina ng Tagalog. Tagalog na pelikula. So, prepare ko na yan mamaya para pagkatapos nito, manonood uli ako guys dyan sa baba. Ang ganda. Pero maglalakad-lakad muna ako doon mamaya. Did you pay?
Yes, fine.
Sa dagat kasi parang ano siya. It's nice to see. How much is that? £3?
£3.80.
How many hours?
2.
Wow.
That's for a car. If I pay for motor, then it's 17 pounds.
Really? Ayan. So, today we spend 35, is it 36? 37, 38, 39.
What's that?
Everything that we spend today. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 50 pounds. Pero, yung pagkain na yon tsaka
Yeah, that's fun.
yung ano, yung tawag nito, pagkain na at saka bayad dito sa parking lot. Ayan. So, bawat galaw may bayad. Kaya yung iba sasabihin abroad yung nag-abroad ka, pero syempre yung bayaran dito, ang expenses dito is ano din, pounds din yung binabayad, hindi piso. Kaya pagdating sa sahuran, pag hindi ka marunong mag-save up o hindi ka marunong mag-ano ng pera mo, walang matitira. Kasi bawat galaw dito ay talagang magbabayad. May price. Baga may price. Ayan. So,
Oh,
hindi lahat na nag-abroad is always have money.
where's the chairs, man?
It's all there, ready for you. Kaya, sa mga nag-ano dyan, sabihin, oy, abroad dyan, maraming pera yan.
You're gonna sit in the garden, Don?
Yeah, we have lunch there. Wala rin kaming, kung hindi kami magsisave at hindi ka-wise mag-ano ng pera, tawag nito, maghawak ng pera mo, talagang nawawala lang siya na para lang ng tubig. Yun, so be wise. Kaya araw-araw ito makakasave kami kasi hindi na kami kakain sa labas. At ayun, may view, may fresh air, ganyan. Yung pagkain na binili namin for ano naman yun, for 2 days. Ayan. So ganyan. Ganito dito, guys. Ayan, hindi lang lahat ng nasa abroad ay may pera. Ayan, yung ano ko. Yung aking telepono gumagalaw. So, andyan na si Joe. You're waiting for your lunch.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yes, very, very hungry. So, you wait lang because the burger is now cooking. So, ayan guys. Yung iba may dala silang mga gazebo. Ayan. Hindi makikita. So, gusto ko yung mga ganyan na ano guys, oh. Yung ganyang camper van. Pero, at the moment, wala pa kaming pera. So, tiyaga-tiyaga muna kami. Hindi naman siya masama. Kasi, ayan o, mayroon kami ditong makaupo ng 4 people. Ayan. Pwede 4. Ayan. Or 3. Ayan, 4 pwede. Tapos, ayan. Pasensya na yung kalat. Mayroon kaming bed. Ayan. May toilet. Tapos, yung mga kalat namin. Yung ano ni Joe, paddle boarding. Ayan. So, merong sink. Ayun, merong gas doon. Lagyan tubig. Binasag ni Joe. Ayan, sa grill, merong oven. Ayan, may oven din siya. Ayan. Mayroon siyang fridge. Ayan, freezer. Ayan, yung fridge. Ayan, ganyan yung laman. So, okay na rin. Dito sa, pwede 3 umupo dyan. So, okay na rin. Ayan, mayroong mga ano dito. Lagay natin sa loob. Mayroon siyang, how you call this one?
I was saying we can get some beer.
Yeah. You can walk up.
Hey?
There's a store and
For beer?
yeah, and wine. No, you know the fish and chips.
Oh, it's a long way then, man.
No, it's not. It's near. So, ayan. So, continue cooking. Yan, ganyan ang buhay dito guys sa England. Ayan, hindi siguro maganda yung ano niya. Kasi ang daming taba oh. Ayan, super dami ng taba. Kaya kapag kumain ng burger. Ano no? Hey, this one is so much fat.
Oh, it'll come out, won't it?
Yeah, it's good that I cook like this. Right, anyway. I put a little bit of oil. Because I thought it won't stick on the pan, but yes. And guys, what are you doing?
It's crooked. Now it's almost the same coming in and going out.
Oh,
with the-
really?
with the
Because
fridge on.
of the sun.
Yeah, even it's not full sun.
Yeah. So that is good because we have 2 panels. Yeah. Maganda daw kasi dalawa ang panel.
Then we didn't get 2 folding ones.
Yeah. Maybe get 2 folding ones.
One more folding one.
Yeah. Ayan, marami na marami na daw siyang power. So, ayan. So, ayan na guys. Ready na ito. Talagang nag-ano siya sa kanyang taba. Ayan. Wala kaming masyadong dalang gulay kasi nagmamadali kami kasi tanghali na kami nagising. Okay, kumain kami. Ayan. So, kahapon ito yung Coronation deli coleslaw. Binili ko sa Mark and Spencer. You see? Nakakatipid. Ayan guys. Ayan ang paborito ko. Pero si Joe, parang ayaw niya nito pero no choice siya. Budget meal tayo ngayon. Ayan. Mine is ready now, I think. Ayan, may sobra pang isa. Patayin na natin yan. Joe.
And I get a couple of these for you and me for the festival.
Which one is that? You spend money again.
It's only £9.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Slippers
Yeah.
with cartoon eyes.
Okay.
You can make them flash as well.
So get your coleslaw here.
Thanks, son.
I mean burger.
Thanks, son. And coleslaw.
I'll bring the water.
Thanks, son.
Oh, where is that? Yeah. How about it? Kumain na siya kasi gutom na talaga siya. Ayan. You're really hungry, huh? Are you really that hungry? Ayan, dadalhin ko rin ito. Ayan. Kasi talagang gutom na gutom. Ayan. May bago kaming hagdanan. You're really hungry, do you?
Only one for you.
Yeah, maybe one for later. Why you put the table in there?
Oh,
Why you put the table in?
get the sun.
Kain tayo guys. First meal of the day. What's the time?
4:08.
There's a lot of sailing boats.
Mm.
Oh, my train. There's a train passing.
Oh, it's 29,999. That's the one I sent you.
I saw that there. This one.
Yeah, same.
It's over there. So, ayan guys, naubos na. Yung burger. Tapos, this one is very cheesy.
Juice.
Cheesy, so good cheesy. Yeah.
Juicy.
So, you can, when you start, you can't stop, isn't it, huh?
This one's quite good as well. Solar bicycle racks.
Can you hold? Oh,
25,000. Lots of storage cupboards.
I'll have a look later. So we're gonna have a rest here and then we're going for a walk later, yeah? Yeah. Nice hair, Joe. Yeah, Joe's cut his own hair. Yeah. Oh, hopefully. Don't, how you call that one?
That one. It's not clear.
Ayan guys, gutom pa siya. So, hatiin namin ito. Naubos niya yung sa kaniyang dalawa. So ayan guys, nanonood ako ng Tagalog. Hindi masyado makita kasi bukas dito. Nandito tayo. I'm just here. Ayan. So ayan. So ayan guys. Mag chill muna kami dito. Tapos mamaya ay maglalakad-lakad doon sa beach. So manonood ako ng Tagalog. Ayan. And chill out. Ayun guys, lumipat ako dito sa taas kasi hindi ko makita yung pinapanood ko, ang liwanag doon. Pero nandun pa rin si Joe sa baba. Ayan. So, andito ako sa taas. Ayan o. Ayan, kasi nakikita ko pa yun. Si Agamulak tsaka si ano. Kasi nga ang tawag nun, nakalimutan ko. Si Bea Alonso pala. Ayan. Ayan guys, kumain na naman kami ng apple. Ayan. Ayan, relax lang. Kasi sa whole week naming trabaho, 8 hours na nakatayo, naglalakad. Ito naman yung pinaka the best sa whole week is the weekend. Ayan, pwede tayong mag-relax. Relax kami guys. Ayan. At mag-enjoy kung ano mang panahon mayroon kami dito. Malamig, mainit, it's okay. As long as nakapag-relax, nakapag-charge, kasi bukas papasok na naman. May pasok na naman uli. So, ayan. Ganito ang buhay. Ayan, si Joe. How's your apple?
It's good one.
Busy din sa phone niya.
It's getting a bit cold. I might go in.
Yeah. Medyo ano na siya, parang malamig-lamig na. Kasi walang araw. So mag-ano kami, maglalakad-lakad kami siguro mamaya. Ayan. Ayan, wala nang araw. So yun ang pumapasok na lang is 57. Tapos yung lumalabas is 225. So papatayin na ako na mamaya yung ito ay yung fridge. So hi guys, nandito ako nasa may dagat. Wala na masyadong tao dito banda. Dito wala masyado, pero doon sa dulo marami. At saka malamig-lamig na rin ang simoy ng hangin. Medyo malamig na. Pero marami pa rin kapapan dito. Yun, nandun si Joe. So, you think you can get some fish today?
Yeah, maybe just 5 or 6. Mackerels, bass.
So ayan guys, nandito na kami sa dagat. At maglalakad-lakad konti, tapos siguro mag-fishing. So, try lang si Joe. try and try until he caught one. At the moment, we caught nothing since. So, yan muna. Magpupusog siya. Dito ako opo. Dito yung banda, wala pa masyadong tao. Pero doon, marami-rami. Ayan. Catch the fish, Joe. Catch the fish. What happened?
You want to walk? Yeah.
No, you keep fishing.
Later. Just try to place it.
Ah,
I don't think they're off there.
no. There's many people in there. You're giving up for 1 minute.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Go for a walk and then I'll find some like that.
Okay. There's a lot of dogs.
Dog.
Ayan, maglalakad muna daw ka. Let's go. So ayan guys, andito na naman kami sa kanila. Ayan, nandun si Joe. Sinubukan niya, baka meron daw isda dito. Alas 6:30 na ng hapon dito, pero mataas pa rin yung araw. Ayan. Ayan, masarap pag nandito ka sa dagat kasi nakaka-relax. Tapos masarap ang tulog sa gabi pag yung salted air, fresh air. Masarap matulog. So kaya minsan during the week nandito din kami para mag-relax tapos ng trabaho. Pero sandali lang. Pero pag weekends na wala kaming camping, dito kami talaga sa Helling Island. Siguro wala na itong isda. Wala nang pag-asang makakuha ng isda si Joe. Ayan. Ayan. What's the matter?
Hey,
What's the matter?
the jet ski.
Where? So are you giving up?
And they're all down the other end of the beach.
Are you giving up already? Shall we go?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ciao la. Empty.
Coming back and
Ah, yeah. That's a good idea. So, ayan guys. Uwi na kami kasi wala namang buka si Joe.
maybe come back in the week sometime. Sunset.
Yeah. So, goodbye.
Farewell.
At pabalik na lang
Back
next
to
time.
the mainland.
Ayan guys. At dito, magwawakas ang aming vlog. So, thank you for watching.
Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Take care.
Ayan. Bye guys. So let's go home.